In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble your chair. Clear a space on the floor, unpack the box, lay out all the parts neatly and move the box out of your way. First of all, pop the gas stem into the seat, then position the base onto the gas stem. Then turn the chair so it's the right way round. Next, get the backrest and make sure that the lever is up and put that onto the seat. Then get the armrests and put those into the brackets underneath the chair. And screw those into place. And then get the neck rest and put that into the backrest. And that's how easy it is to assemble your chair. Your chair is now fully assembled and ready to be used. Watch our next video to learn how to set up your chair.